How to extract audio from video in Capcut. Hi everybody, if you're wanting to extract your audio from video in Capcut, you can follow up the steps. So for that, you can open up your Capcut first and head over to a video. You can directly select up a video in which you want to add it and extracted audio. Once that is done, in the bottom of your screen, you should be finding different editing options. So go ahead and look out for the option that says audio, this one right here, and it gives you different options to add audio onto your video. So from this given options, scroll up a bit and you should be finding an option that says extract. So you can tap on it, and once you do that, it gives you option of selecting a video from which you want to extract the audio. For example, let's say this one right here, you can tap on extract and add audio, and you should be finding the extracted audio right below the video. So once that is done, you can cut out the remaining audios, and like this. After that is done, that is it. So that is how you basically add extracted audio in Capcut, following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.